Hello everyone. Today I have buy this Oppo A16 A16 4GB 64GB. So guys, now I'm going to unboxing this set. Royal gold color is a royal gold. Guys, now let's see. Triple camera, 13 megapixel. You can see guys, 13 megapixel, 2 plus 2, and front is 8 megapixel. So now let's check the camera quality. This is the camera quality. You can see guys, camera quality is very good. Front is 8 megapixel and rear is 32 and 2. So now this is the charger, fast charger. Now I will insert this SIM. Now I will connect with the optic fiber. Password UKIP 0. This is sound quality.